Hi, good morning, guys. So it looks like we're gonna get more downsides. I think we're gonna hit all the way down to here. That's what I'm looking at right now. I don't see, even though the trend is up, I'm looking at all this. It seems to me we're gonna go down. We're testing this area here, which is okay, but me, uh, we're gonna get more downside, especially with the profile. We went all the way down, then the overnight open up over here. We're about to open in range, but I think we got potential for more uh a downside. We do have a naked PLC right here. Actually, I didn't see it. Have a naked PLC there, so I'll put this up here. Hold on. So yeah, I think we're gonna have more downsides. Probably come down to this level at least. We got the overnight low pretty close. I'll take that. It's violating my rule. Don't trade the first 10 minutes, but I think we're gonna hit here. I'll keep an eye on it though. All this is melting. I think we're gonna crush all this and hit here. With 134 buy blocks. That's a little bit on the scary side, so I'll take one contract out. Come over here just in case, because I want to go against that. There is news at 9:25, at 9:30, I think it is, or 9:45. I gotta take a look at it. I close it out just because he did this right here. I'll buy it again if it comes down to this level. If I see a really good one, but everything's pointing up. I don't want to go against that, especially against this. So that's why I get down. I still think we're gonna come down, so might sell it again. 1 second. That's a good spot to take it to right there. We can come up to this level and retest it. This area here, beat of wheat fault. Right here, this level here. 90 sell block. I don't think we're down going down, but we might go up here though. Yeah. Right to that level. I low by the way, but did the news came out? Yeah, hold on. 9:45. 9:45 now. 10 more minutes. So $134, $130 sales block. If that saves me. But it looks like I'm missing something. I don't know what I'm missing. See, we do have divergence here. Here go higher high. That means it changes the direction. But for some reason, I still think we're gonna go down. That's why I went short. That's the only thing that I think I'm missing. But I think we're gonna go down. That's my opinion. But really, this indicates a change of direction. This change of this right here. This is a change of direction. You know, because we did this. We got a divergence here, divergence here, and divergence here. This all. This is what the hell. This all indicate change of direction. So I'm actually trading against it, by the way. The only thing I got going for me is that I'm trading underneath the VWAP. That's the only thing. I'm under it, and all these, we're doing all this action right under it. That's the only thing that is working for me right now. Five more minutes before the news comes out. One more minute, we got news, and this is probably where I'm gonna get crushed, or it's just gonna melt all the way down. I think my money's melting more than anything. Oh, here we go. Holy shit. It's gonna go down. It's gonna go up. Let's see. Come on. I mean, if it breaks this, it should launch all the way down. I really should be taking some of my contracts there because it's fighting it. Well, everything's pointing down. That's why I'm holding. Once this thing breaks, it should shoot down. Ah, shit, it didn't. I'll take 2 there because it didn't shoot all the way down. I want that quick reaction more than anything. Move some of this out. Yeah, I should have put a little bit more contracts. Call it quit for the day. But it's news, and it could go up, it could go down. You never know, because it could be it could be the type of news that the people, the big guns are waiting for, and they be optimistic and it shoot up, and you get stuck holding the bag. See what else I can see. Nothing there. Be here. There's nothing. There's nothing. All right. I find something here. Gonna go down again? I'll sell it again. It's not bad actually. I'll take it. That's a good spot to take us. I'll take one. Fuck it up. Like I said, first thing in the morning, I said most likely we're gonna go down. We do have naked POC right here. I don't know if we'll make it there, but the area I was aiming at was here and potentially here. So keeping an eye on to see if we get down there. Kind of hard to go with this because this is starting to point up. Notice this was down and this was going down as well. So it was a no-brainer. But over here, it's not really going down. You have to be careful. Plus, I'm not gonna lie, there was some instinct. But also taking the trade here. There was some instinct on it. This is starting to get exhausted. Just in case you were wondering why I'm not doing this, it's because this is not good enough. I need a space like that, like from here to here. This would have been good, but not this. This is not. Can't do nothing with that. So keep that in mind. Just because you see things like this, you gotta have the candles in between, something like that. Big moves. This is okay. It's a little bit tight too, but it's okay. This means nothing. Wow, how many people thought it was gonna go down here, and then it shot up. Let's see how the week is gonna end. Ah, not looking good. It looks like we're gonna do more momentum. It's starting to look like we're gonna look like something like this. And just in case you were wondering, this is a 10-year. All this is 10 years. 10 years data. 10 years data. Just in case you were wondering, what am I looking at? 10 years of data. This is getting interesting for sure, but the problem is that this is pointing up. Although we have this lower low, lower high here. Um, that's what I'm looking at. I'm looking at possibly, I think we should be going, we might hit this level again. Probably go right through it to the overnight low. This is very good right here. I like it. I want to see a little bit more. I want to see more of this. I don't want to rush it, especially since I like to do breakouts, and you're taking them too early. I could get stuck, and return everything I made today and yesterday, last week too. So right now I'm just waiting for better candle formation. See, I would have taken that. I probably would have been sweating bullets right now. When it comes to trading, is boring. I mean, I love it, but I can see how people look at this and they go like, this is boring," and it is. But at the end of the week, when you got a nice big fat check, you're good to go. Unless you give that money back, though, then you're screwed. It's right in the middle, right in the middle. I'm not interested. More, I would love something like this, something like that. Although, when this happened, it was right at the top, and there's no way I would have taken that. But especially since we cross over the VWAP to the top side. Uh, Pretty good. Nice candle. Everything's pointing down. This I like this. This is really good. This I don't like. And I don't like this. That's why I didn't take it. Let me check. I don't think there was any more new. New home sales, that was a 10. Natural gas, that's my 1030. No, there's nothing really. Not until 345. Oh, we'll go for a minute. This is valid from those directions, although it's slightly bit. You can make a better case for taking the long here since everything is going above this VWAP here, middle VWAP. We're doing business above the VWAP, but this is in the middle. This is in the middle, and this is nowhere. So, uh, if you were gonna lean one way, I would lean more towards going up, but I still have my mindset on this part over here, and I don't want to abandon it yet. Not yet. Really want to go with a short right here, though. I think I should. Yeah, I'm gonna go with it. With some hesitation on my part, but some hesitation. Forget we're on this inside this ginormous region here. I didn't see that before, but boy, this is crumbling really fast. It's looking bad for me right now. Um, yeah, it is. The only thing I got working for me is that we got this area here is below the middle VWAP, which is this one right here. We're doing business below it, but that can change in a second. I still think the higher probability will be down here, possibly getting down to. Oh, I took the try now. Yeah, possibly around this area overnight low and stuff like that. That's why I think the higher probability is. Let's see if it decides to break through. Believe it or not, that's a bad sign. That means that it hit all the stops and didn't do nothing. So that's a pretty bad sign for me. I still think we're gonna go down, even though I feel like closing this damn trade though. Should have got a much bigger reaction than that. And she gotta show patience. I'm running out of patience right now. I'm gonna get out. I'm gonna get out. Yeah. If anything, I can get back in, but I'm gonna get out for a second. I'll get out, regroup, because this should have been that reaction should have been a lot quicker than that. taking way too long. Too long. Look, if we did this business, look, it would have fucked me up right there. So I think I made it that right decision to get the hell out. I want my trades to go quick, a lot quicker than that. You know, not necessarily instantly, but you know, within 30, 40 seconds should be starting to look more positive towards my side. If it's taking a minute, 2 minutes, I'm cutting it out, because I trade breakouts, and breakouts by definition they're pretty fast and violent. They're, you know, they break out for a reason. So we just, right now we're just doing business this level here. I'm gonna wait till we get the hell out. Yeah. So I know, guys, this is boring. No, it's boring, but if you want to learn this, you gotta put the time in this. You gotta look at the chart, look at the indicators, see how they're reacting to levels and stuff like that. And that's how you learn. That's how I learn. I remember first, I didn't have an account. All I did was sit down people who would trade live. Obviously, they were trying to you know, try to sell you something. Well, I'm not selling anything for free. Then I joined one group. It's a two leg pullback. I joined that group. Then after that group, I joined another group. That was the best group I ever joined. That was came out on top on that group. This is really good right here. You broke it and all that, but that was a really good one. Shit. Play it again. I think it's valid. Definitely late on it, but because I was talking like an idiot. But I think it will go down to this level here. As long as you have an idea where the market's gonna go, and it will work for you. This is a good spot here to take some of my profit out. Son of a bitch. It's a good place to bounce. And I have a lot of risk, and I go in late, so I don't want to you know, give everything back. It's taking too long. I came in late. That's why I'm taking profit quick. You know, if I was over here, I probably would have taken them here anyway, but I would have, yeah, I probably would have hold to here. That's why these levels, you need to have them. You need to have this level. You can't trade without them. That's crazy. Trading without levels, you just leaving money behind. Might be, I'm gonna call it quit there. As I said, look at that. See how easy it is? See how easy, you just wait for your trades, wait for the indicators, and that's it. That's simple. There's no trick. I'm not using anything. Everything that you see here is what I'm using. I'm not using anything extra. Nothing else. There's nothing else. I'm not using anything else. This indicator that you see. Now, this indicator right here, and this one, the one on top, is called the RSI. Forgot the name of it. This is not a normal RSI. This is a custom RSI. This one over here, the one with the red and the pivot sign on it. This one is a MACD. Let's see. This one is the MACD, and those, and yeah, that's the MACD. So the other one is a custom RSI, and this is custom. I don't know what they are, but this is custom. Now I don't sell them. I don't sell them. I know where you can get them if you want. I bought them once and I had them for years and I love them. So, but before I bought them, I was looking at the guys trading with it and try to see the correlation with their trades and the indicators, which is what you guys should be doing. Just look at it. Look at the indicators. Look at look at how am I taking the trades, how the market's reacting. Look at that. This is pulling forward, up. This is up. This is up, and this one's starting to go up. And look, we're shooting up here. There's no gimmick. The indicators will tell you where they are, and on top of that, you are at this level. Okay, so you have a lot going for it. This indicator comes with NinjaTrader. It's called Cumulative Delta. I think it is Cumulative Delta. Cumulative. Okay, Delta. This one right here. And it's free if you have the NinjaTrader license, the lifetime license. If you have it, if you don't, I don't know what you're waiting for. You should be getting a lifetime license and trade with it. You can get the lifetime license and trade simulation. And that's it. Now, if you feel like you're not getting anywhere, contact me. Send me a message. Say, hey, I've been trading for a minute. I got the lifetime license. I got this indicator. You don't need this. With just the MACD and the RSI, and that's it. MACD and RSI, you'll be golden. You'll be okay. Shoot up a live channel. Shoot it up. Record yourself. If you want, you can record yourself in private and tell me about it and send me a link. I'll take a look at it. Take a look at your trades, and I'll give you a heads up. I'll tell you what I see and where you can improve. 100% free. So you don't have to worry about anything like that. I don't charge anybody. I can get people to make money, brother. Make it. There's enough money here for everybody, but just know this. Do simulation first. Simulate. Do not go live, please. You will lose everything. I blown plenty of accounts. I blown my own account. Luckily, my wife, she put up with all this shit. But now it's paying out. So I blew up personal accounts. They were not big. They were like 5,000, and then blew it up again, blew it again. Then I went through prop firms and got approved, and then blew them out. So again, it's gonna happen. But the best thing I ever did was stop using my money going with a prop firm. There's plenty out there. Pick one, doesn't matter. Read the reviews. And pick one. That way you're not exposing your money. And what else can I say? Yeah, prop firm. I believe in prop firm. Just use one. Read the conditions. Because if you violate the terms and you make money, all you have is monopoly money. You don't have real money. So make sure you don't violate the terms. Trade accordingly. I heard what was it? Top Step was pretty good. NinjaTrader is pretty good too. Apex Funding. There's another one. What's it called? SMA or something like that. SMBA. Yeah, I don't remember that one. But Lilu's a cheap one too, by the way. Oh, look at this. You see how I took, let me put my trade. See how I took my trades right here? I got out right here, because this is a level. It's a level, and the minute I saw that it was going against me, I cut them out. But yeah, I enter here and got a couple $100 here. Not bad. This would have been a hard one to read because there's no divergence. If you notice here, this is not on top of that one. There's no divergence. There's no divergence here. But yet again, went against. What happened here is, what happened was, people thought it was gonna keep on going down. People thought it was gonna do this. People thought it was gonna do this. And since they thought that, they started shorting it out. But then the buyers were waiting here. They came in and they ate those stops. They ate the stop here. And if you look at it, let me zoom in a little bit better. If you look at it, let me take all this shit out. All right, if you look at it, you will see, look how small. That means that the sellers came in and there was just enough buyers to eat those. Then the sellers came in, there was enough buyers to come to eat those. And over here, it went down, but there's people that wait for the price to go to these levels, and then boom, they bought it. And then they try to sell it. Then they try to sell it here, but again, people who were waiting for here, like they here, they shot it up, and people are just getting stuck. Over here, because it's between these two lines, you can see here, there was you see this what is it called, doji, little doji here. Let me take the drawing out. You see how it's just nothing, just like a little JoJo in the middle. What happened was, how do I get that back? I can't. Okay, anyway, what happened? I'll leave it. What happened was, everybody here, they were looking at this and they were looking at that. They didn't know what to do. So there was indecision. But then here comes the buyers and blast everybody. You know, Doji, little indecision, blast Doji. It went down, and now all this would have been a nice push. This would have been nice. But the problem is that you have the slow EMA crossing over the fast EMA. And when you have a crossover, a lot of people are looking for it. When you have that crossover, either they'll buy it somewhere around here, or they'll wait till we come back close to it and buy it. And people are gonna get stuck. And probably gonna get stuck here again. All right, so yeah, I'm gonna take all these things out of here. They're not doing anything right now. This one not doing anything. I'll leave this one in, this one out. So hop in here. Oh yeah, they need to get it. There you go. Right now, to be honest, I don't have a target, and I don't trade unless I have a target in mind. I was thinking down, but now no more. We're in this range right now, so I don't want to mess with it. See, we're in this range right here. We're not down, up. Well, we just stay in this range. So if anything, I'll take a short and go back down to the lower level. If anything, but I'm not 100%. I'm not the type to play the range. I don't know how to do it. So if you wanna learn how to do the trade the range, the top and bottom, you're gonna have to find somebody else. I don't know anything about that. I just do breakouts. I see them coming, I can smell them, and I take them. This area is looking pretty good for an up, you know, taking a long. Since we haven't crossed, we only crossed here once, a little bit here. You can see this is the open. This line here, this is where when we open. So since the open, we tested this area once, then we bounced back down. We got close to testing it now, but we didn't do anything with it. So that just tell me we might be looking at a breakout here. But we got this. We got this situation. You look over here, and this means, you know, this means down, by the way. This means down, but I want to take that down. Not so close to here, so close to blasting through all this. It's kind of worth just taking it just to see that shit blast through, because we haven't tested it. Look, if we would have done this somewhere around here, let's say this one would have done this, then I wouldn't even consider it. But we didn't. All we did was this little bleep over here, and that's it. So now I'm considering we might blast through all this. This is second deviation, first deviation, all the way up to the second deviation. Oh yeah. I'm very interested right now. And look how juicy this part over here is. You have initial balance high, prior range high, and we have a range zone here. But we do have to get off. We do have to pass through all this. It's gonna be a problem. And it is close to 11. And at 11, you already know I turn to a pumpkin after 11. I can't trade for shit. I lose all my money at 11. So I'm really interested in this breakout here. I'm very interested in it. Very, very interested. And to be honest, I'll probably kick out quick if I get in. And most likely it's gonna be a last minute entrance. So probably wait until the candles is probably up to here before I get in. And keep an eye on it. Look, everything's still looking down, but you see this. One thing you notice is look at this indicator. Let me show you this indicator. You see how it's doing all this is zigzagging. That just means it's weak. Oh shit, look at that. That just means it's weak. So you gotta be careful with that. You want to have this. If I would have seen this, or look, even this, look how clean that looks. Which you see this. Look how clean that look. All right, so somebody bought the range right here. See, somebody's playing the range, about the top of the range and bringing it down to the bottom. Yeah, I think the higher probability would be up going this way. I think we're down going down. I think so. I think people are just done trying to go down. I could be wrong though. Now, if you wanted to know, what would be a good indicator is you see this how this one went over this level, both went over that level, and then it started to go down. That was a good indication, except for this is kind of crappy. You want something like this. See how they both went up and then they shut down? That would have been a clean one. And then you'll get the same one going up. Watch. Right here. I got that something wrong. All right, so no, not right there. I'm sorry. I don't have anything over here. But you would need this one to go at the bottom too, and then work your way up. And the minute this indicators, and now on top of this one, that's a good up, and the opposite is true. Like here, like you gotta hear. Oh, it looks like we're not down, going down. Holy shit. Oh, doesn't look like it. Yeah, I've been wrong before. But trading is gambling, so if you're against gambling, this is not for you, because this is gambling for sure. You're gambling. The only difference between Las Vegas and here is that you have indicators to help you decide whether it's going to go up or down. And you have targets and levels and things that, you know, were things that will corroborate your idea. You don't have that in Las Vegas. Las Vegas, you get the cards and the roulette and whatever. Let's not forget we're in the range, so getting a breakout is a tough one. Everything is pointing down, which is good, but I don't know. 750. Just don't know. I go in with one just in case. I only put one because I'm not 100% sure. It could shoot down, but it will make my day. But it goes against me, ain't gonna break me either. As you can see, it was the market that made me change my mind. I thought we're gonna do a breakout, but not so sure now. So the market changed my mind. I didn't change my mind. The market changed my mind. This is a good spot to take it, by the way, if it doesn't break through. This area here. I will need it to melt down. I'm gonna come over here just in case it decides to go down. I mean, could go back up, but you break through. It's a good spot to put a second one too, by the way. Second contract there. Because if it breaks, it's gonna break hard. Hey, it was a small risk. Is what it is. Because I wasn't 100% sure. This is a really good spot to take. It's the bottom of the range. Bottom of the range. Bottom of this range right over here. But really, the bottom should be here, but come over here. Bottom should be here. Bottom of the range. And that's what I do. I trade the breakouts. The breakouts and get the hell out. I haven't had a long trade in a long time. I haven't taken a trade and left it hanging for a long time. For a while now. It's been a while that I will let one of my contracts ride, because I noticed that, you know, I was trying to do that a lot, and it was every time it went back, I was losing more than I was gaining. And you gotta know your numbers, and you gotta know where you at. Usually, this shit's gonna go back down. Looks interesting again. Those are big ass candles. About to hit 11. Final position for the London Open. This is it at 11. So it's probably what's happening. So I'm guessing they're gonna put the final position is gonna go down. Most likely. I don't know. I'm getting tempted, but I don't want to lose my money either. Because if I come in, I will have to put over here, and that's a lot of money. That's, if I take two contracts, like $1,000. I'm down with like 300 at the end of the day. This looks juicy right now. Look at this. All right, so I DRH. DRH. Just put one, right? I don't have to put two. I can always put. This one is about to cross over this one. Probably get there. But this is the bottom of the range too. That's why if it doesn't break, it's gonna go up against me hard. So I can go in and put a stop right here. It won't be much, but oh, looks interesting. I know if I don't take it, I'm gonna kick myself in the ass. Man, I'm sweating bullets here. Should I take it? Take it now. Take it. Take it now. Take it. Just put one. Fuck it. And this is what I like. I like trading this shit because it's just So much indecision. Oh man, I bet if I put a hard monitor right now, it's probably going boom, 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 fast as hell. I would have been stopped there too. Uh, Actually, wait a minute. I just noticed something. We have divergence because it went down, and we have divergence here. Here, it's not the strongest, but it's there. There. Oh, come on. Oh, look how nice this is. Well, that's a really good candle. That was a really good candle. Shit, 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 shit. I'm going in. That was a good candle. I like that candle. That was a good candle. Okay. Oh, I did. See what it does. I should have blasted through the other way. This is pointed down, but it's kind of crappy. Um, so I don't know. It's 11. Final position. I'll wait a couple minutes, a couple of seconds, but if it doesn't move my way, I'm gone. Or it kicks me out, but okay. God damn it. All right, so that's it for me. It's enough excitement for one day. It's after 11, and yeah, after 11, I make some really bad decisions. But I thought it was gonna come down here. Most likely, we're gonna hit. Let me put in my drawings. Hold on. Most likely, we're gonna hit this level over here, but I'm not gonna wait for it. Uh, yeah, we might hit those level, but I think that was a good spot to take most of my profits. Has been bouncing here. Again, we were in a range, so I thought we were gonna get to the top of here, and that's where I bought here, thinking I would sell over here, but it went against me, and then immediately, since it went against me, we got this. If you notice, we got this. I figure we might be going down for a little bit longer. So I came in, and then I put some more, and then put extra, then extra, then extra, because I thought it was going to, I mean, if it would have hit me here, I would have flipped it and go up with it, because that was strong enough. But I was just waiting for it. Most likely we were gonna go down, and that was my trade idea. Was from the beginning was this level. Still is. I mean, we hit it once over here since the open, and so that would be the bottom of the range. So I'm still thinking we're gonna get there. It's just not with me though. Although I'm thinking of getting in right now though. Thinking of getting in right now because I think it's gonna blow right through. I think so. But this is really crappy. This is pointing down. This is pointing down, but this is crappy. This is good though. So I might not be done then. Because I think we're gonna hit it. I think so. Yeah, I think we're gonna hit that level and it might be worth it. Go for it. Because that will be the bottom of the range. And we can close. Can close. But this is pointing up. I don't want nothing to do with it. Yeah, if you look at the profile, this is all we done all morning. All morning, this is all we done. I moved one by mistake. This are all I got there, but we move. This is all we done all morning. So I think when I low, probably we're gonna hit it, and it's inside that range over here. So when I low is right down here, I don't see why not. I see why we don't make it. Waiting for my indicators to be more friendly than this. Although it's 11:40. Yeah, hardly any volume. You can tell. Look, it's going like 1, 2, 3, 4. It's going down really slow. So hardly any volume. That's where people get crushed. That was a good candle. This one right over here. Yeah, it looks like he wants. It looks like he wants to go down. Looks like he wants a little bit more down momentum. And now, I'm gonna give it to him. Okay. At least to this level here. Remember, we did a lot of bouncing here, so gotta be careful with that. I should have never closed it, but we bounced here so many times that I don't trust it that much. I still think we're gonna hit here. Gonna wait a little bit longer, but if it goes, it's gonna go in 1 second. Like right now. See? Should have waited. Holy shit. Yeah. I told you it was gonna get down to this level overnight low. Wow. What a reaction. Should I sell it? Just to get there? Why not? Right? I mean, I can just sell it right there and come over here. Because if it goes there, I don't want it anymore. Of course. I'll put it right here. If it gets there. Take some along the way. And make my money. I'll get the hell out. See? Easy. Oh man, I'm really good at predicting breakout, man. Shit, that's where I make my money in the breakout. If you want to learn how to trade the uh how to trade the range, you know, the top and the low, up and down all day, I don't know how to do that. I can't help anybody. But if you want to learn how to do breakouts, yeah, I'm the king of breakouts. I see them, I spot them fucking a mile away. Sometimes I get a run. I do. Don't get me wrong. I mean, like a couple minutes ago, I was down a couple thousand, but that shit don't scare me because I know the way I trade, and I know my what you might call it. I know um my my winning percentage. That's the word I'm looking for. I know my winning percentage. So as long as my winning percentage is at 70%, which is where I'm at, sometimes at 80, well, let's say 70%. I could be wrong a few times. That's okay, but I got a 20% uh above average winning rate. That tells me that I can trust myself, and that's where you gotta be. You gotta be at. You have to trade. You have to look at how many trades you're taking, and then you divide it by that number. Um, you know, see how many trades you're taking, and see, what's your winning percentage out of that. Versus you divide the winning by the losers, and you see come up with your percentage. I think that's how you do it. Anyway, you have to look up for you. I'm not really good at math, but you got to look up. I did it once, and I know my percentage is at 70, sometimes 80%. So let's call it 72 just to be conservative. If my winning rate is that high, I don't care. I mean, I do care, but it's okay if I lose my money because my winning percentage is higher, and usually I'm gonna go up. I'm usually gonna make the money back. Even if I lose, I know I'm gonna gain it back. That's why I don't have a problem dropping 6, 7, 8 and contract. Normally I drop 2 because I'm not crazy. But if I see the breakout forming really good, and I know I'm low on money for the day, yeah, I drop a lot of contract just to make it back up. If 100% positive. If not, then I'll put 1 or 2 contract. Normally 2. I like to put 2 at a time. So yeah, this is a good level. This is the end of it. I don't think. I think we still got some more momentum going down. We can still hit this naked POC, but I'm not gonna be around. It's 11:51. That's the end of it. Anyway, hopefully you guys learned something out of this today. You know, but most importantly, you gotta know your numbers. You gotta know what percentage of winning are you in. So if you're only doing, if you're at a 55% win rate, that's not enough. You gotta get it higher. You gotta be you know, 60. Although if you're at a 50% win rate, if you're at a 50% win rate, I mean a 55% win rate, you might want to look into your lose. Oh, you should always record your trading, and you should always go back. And now, since you want to know what is your percentage and how you can improve it, look at your percentage rate. Look, are you losing, and when are you losing them? Like if you're most likely to lose them after 11, because the market slowed down after 11, and that's, I bet you, if you're at a 55% win rate, if you go back and just eliminate after 11 completely and just look at the trade before 11, I guarantee you're going to shoot up to a 60-62%. Guarantee. And if you're trading in the afternoon, just eliminate all that. Just stick to 9:30 to 10:45. That should be your cutout. And 10:50 sometimes. And see how you do. I guarantee you, if you go back to your trades, those time frame, if you are at 55, you can easily squeeze 5 or 6% extra as a winning rate. And with that you can start examining to see how much are you holding. Are you holding way too long? Are they coming against you? Look at where are your whatchamacallit, where are your profit targets, and how far away from, you have a profit target and then you have a level. How far away from that level is that profit target? Because if you go, like, let's say I'm aiming at this. I am aiming at this. I don't want to take it there. I want to front run it somewhere around here. That way, guarantee you hit it, because it doesn't hit all the time. Like, look at here, it never hit. Even over here, if I would have left it there, I never would have got hit. But you want to put it somewhere around here, front run it, you know, and then you could. Over here, if you know, let me see if I can put my trades here. Put my trades here. Look, I front run it, all of them. Started taking trades here, and then I take more trades, most of them right over here. Way before this. Way before. Okay? So front run them. And those are your targets. Look at this mess. Look at all those trades. There's a lot of trades. But and that's it. Anyway, so hopefully you guys learned something. I'm always here. I'm always talking. Yeah, that's it. Yeah, that's it. Anyway, I think I'm gonna leave it there. 56. For the day is not bad. See you guys tomorrow. Yeah, Friday, tomorrow. All right, I'll see you guys.